Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super common issue that's been bugging a lot of Spectrum users in 2025. How to fix Spectrum Limited Mode. If your internet feels sluggish, restricted, or just won't perform like it should, you're in the right place. This mode often kicks in due to data caps, network glitches, or even simple connectivity problems, but don't worry. I'll walk you through easy, step-by-step fixes that can get you back online in no time. First off, let's quickly understand what Spectrum Limited Mode is. It's basically a way for your internet service provider to throttle your speeds when you've hit certain limits, like data usage, or if there's an underlying technical issue. The good news? Most fixes are straightforward and can be done from the comfort of your home. Step 1. Start with the basics. Restart your modem and router. Unplug both devices, wait about 30 seconds, and then plug them back in. This simple reboot can clear temporary glitches and refresh your connection. Give it a minute or two to fully reconnect. Step 2. Double-check your physical connections. Make sure all cables are securely plugged in. Sometimes, a loose Ethernet cable or a wonky Wi-Fi setup is the hidden culprit. If you're using Wi-Fi, try moving closer to your router or switching to a wired connection for a quick test. Step 3. Head over to your Spectrum account online. Log in through their website or app and look for any alerts about your data usage or account status. If you're approaching or have exceeded your data cap, you might need to upgrade your plan or wait for the next billing cycle. Step 4. Update your router's firmware. Outdated software can cause compatibility issues, especially with 2025's new standards. Check your router's settings or the manufacturer's website for the latest updates and install them. It's easier than it sounds. Step 5. If these steps don't do the trick, it's time to contact Spectrum support. Reach out via their app, website chat, or phone line. They can check for outages in your area or diagnose any account-specific problems. And there you have it, folks. By following these steps, you should be out of limited mode and enjoying full-speed internet again. If this video helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.